Okay, so I'm going to glaze this powder room today, mainly because replacing it's just going to be too expensive and take, 3 days. These grout lines are pretty bad. I'm going to put an anti-skid coating on here. It's going to be super durable, and the grout lines will never get penetrated by anything ever again. There's some crap tiles in here. There's one. There's two. 1, 2, 3. Another one there. Another one right there. And over here somewhere. I don't know where. But, yep. The options are replace it or glaze it. I'm going to glaze it. It's going to be cheaper, faster, and look better. And when I'm done, I'm never going to have to worry about the grout lines again. Okay, boy? Okay. This ceramic tile floor is now glazed. The grout lines are sealed forever. They're never going to get penetrated by anything. This job took me 1 day, and it was faster and less expensive than tearing all these tiles out of here and installing a new floor, which I can do, but it's a dusty job, it's an expensive job. And when it would be done, the grout lines would still, be penetrated by, water or whatever if you happen to have a leak, but not now that it's glazed. So once again, glazing proves to be cheaper, faster, and in the long run, more durable and longer lasting. Nothing can beat this. And I'm in and out in 1 day. Alright, so it's done. We haven't done the floor. Probably won't do that for a while, but yeah, did the countertops and the cabinets. This is a semi-gloss sheen on the cabs. Custom color, made it myself. Acrylic polyurethane sprayed on with HVLP. Built the island out of 2 layers of 3/4 inch medium density fiberboard. Electrified it. The plugs have USBs chargers in it. That cabinet was actually out in the garage. We utilized that in here. So, boom. I got a headlight on my head because I like to inspect my own tubs thoroughly because they got to be perfect. So I can't see anything wrong. Not even a bug. Normally at least a bug will come and screw things up for me. But no, this is, and it's going to get nicer tomorrow, so. Anyway, alright, come on in. Hope it doesn't smell too bad.
You didn't have to put the stores back on because I got to clean them.
Oh, I can check it back out if you want.
Oh, wow.
it's like as waterproof as you could ever get. Now the grout lines would be sealed forever, so you can't use it until tomorrow. But after that, you'll be good to go.
Oh wow!
Pretty cool, huh?
Yes. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oops, sorry.
Oh God.
Yeah, you're sealed. So. You might want to consider getting a cover for that, because that's not really what's supposed to be there. There's a stainless steel cover you can put over the top of that.
Oh, okay. I didn't know where that was.
Yeah, they're cheap, like $3.
Okay.
Home Depot or
I will
whatever.
do that. Wow. Wow.
Pretty neat, huh?
And people like this, don't they?
Oh, good, yes.
Oh, cool.
Yep. The beauty isn't even the best part. The best part is now it's protected. The grout lines will never get impregnated with water again. So
it's just great. I can do that paint.
Yeah, peel the paint off. There's a little bit bubbling above that too, so.
Yeah, well, I guess it's, I don't know, that fan has 3 speeds, I need to turn it up.
What does this switch do?
That's the fan. Turn that on, and it takes like about 20 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes a little longer.
I'm gonna leave that on then.
No, John, that looks great. Yeah.
So we're all plugged up here, windows closed. I do have to close the other window, that's it.
Okay.
So, and I just recorded your reaction. Is it okay if I post it for my friends?
Yes. As ugly as I look.
I appreciate it. Okay, so these countertops, we're going to do Astoria granite on black primer. This is an apartment complex, so I've never done Astoria granite on black primer in the cross-link system where it's got a texture to it. And this countertops actually got a lot of problems with it. I don't know if you can see it. Well, yeah, that's coming off, but there's a big warp in the seam here, and a lot of work I got to do on this one. They're all falling apart. Crap. Anyways, so it should be interesting to see how this works out. I don't know if I'm going to like this color and the textured cross link or not, but I guess we're going to find out. So I'll talk to you soon. Alright, so they're done. And I hope they don't want me to do any more of these because it was tough, even for me. It's I don't get very much for these apartment complex countertops, so if they're gonna want me to be doing this, I'm gonna have to charge a couple $100 extra because it's too risky with this black primer and these white appliances. We'll see what happens. Well, there's nothing wrong with this tub except it's pink. Jeez. What were we thinking in the 80s? It's also nasty. Ugh. Okay, so the tub is done. I did the tub only, not the surround. And I installed a new drain shoe because that one's crappy. Yep, she is glistening. Woo! It's like a brand new tub. You wouldn't know it's 60 years old. Okay, bye.